The word Tundra is a cold word, and that's exactly what this universal transmission oil cooler from PROFORM does for your transmission. Tundra Series universal transmission oil coolers keep oil temperatures where they need to be for maximum performance. The stacked plate and fin design gives up to 29.3% more efficiency over other coolers with the same size tube and fin coolers. Not only is a 20 Fahrenheit decrease in temperature important, but it can also double the oil life and help your transmission run longer. The mounting plates are specifically designed for easy flush mounting with multiple mounting points to choose from. This cooler is made from a 100% aluminum braze design to prevent leaks. Then they have it finished with a state-of-the-art brazing process. And finally, they added a black powder coat finish so it can withstand corrosion and rust. This cooler is built for quality and made to last. It's pressure tested at 175 psi for cracks or issues. Then it's tested underwater at 80 psi to ensure that no bubbles will form to guarantee that many leaks are not present. You can use the cooler with power steering fluid, engine oil, or rear differential fluid as well. You can also use this cooler with most makes, models, and older vehicles, so now you can add it to your restoration project and have no issues. If you are interested in the PROFORM Tundra Series Universal Transmission Oil Cooler, or you're looking for help with installation, please check out the store locator in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for new product videos, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.